Directors and cinematographers have long known of the stunning visual effects that can be achieved with motion control. The ability to capture the audience's imagination by creating sophisticated and eye-catching shots has often relied on the use of motion control. Motion control enables professionals to create shots that would otherwise be impossible or extremely difficult to achieve, taking a fraction of the time and drastically reducing post-production costs. But what exactly is motion control? Simply put, a motion control system gives one the ability to record the exact position and movement of the camera and lens and repeat the movement again and again with absolute precision. Once the ability to repeat a movement exists, or to have total control of the camera, new creative heights can be reached with the potentials this gives. A very simple example is to have the motion control system record a scene with an actor in one position on the set and then again in another position, repeating the exact same camera movement to obtain multiple passes. Then the final result will be that the scene appears to have many copies of the actor. It is just as simple to shoot the subject in the same position repeatedly, but at different locations so that the background changes. Because good motion control systems are frame accurate, scenes can also be shot at different speeds and combine effortlessly into one scene in post-production. Mark Roberts Motion Control has designed software for its rigs based on over 25 years of experience in the film and television industry. All systems run using Flare, a purpose-designed hardware and software solution. Flare software is designed to maximize the performance of motion control systems. Intuitive and simple to use, it provides the operator with a range of powerful applications to pilot the camera and help the director concentrate on the actors and scene instead of the camera movement. Flare understands the geometry of motion control systems. The operator can build complex moves and leave Flare to coordinate all the axes of the motion control system to achieve the right shot. The Flare control software is a truly portable system running on any laptop PC. It includes target tracking. This allows a moving camera to hold on a fixed object or known trajectory. For example, scanning up a vertical pole whilst gliding past it is easily achieved with target tracking. Flare also includes scaling, a feature that allows the combination of differently sized objects such as actors and miniatures into the same scene with the correct perspective at the flick of a switch. Scaling allows whole camera movements to be rotated, stretched or shifted, as is often used for multiple pass shots and where the actors appear both on the floor, walls and ceiling. Complete CGI integration allows moved data to be readily transferred to countless 3D graphics packages such as Softimage, XSI, Maya, Flame, Flint, Inferno, Lightwave and Alias Wavefront. This data can be used to add computer-generated elements to film footage. Similarly, data can also be imported from 3D packages to Flare, which greatly speeds the process of planning visual effects. Often referred to as pre-visualization, whole complex effects can be planned and tested on 3D software and then transferred to the motion control system to shoot a perfect match. Creating frame-by-frame animation with Flare is simple. One can view the whole movement at live action prior to animating and then simply switch Flare to stop motion mode. Flare allows for easy addition of motion blur or mixing stop frame with live action or slow motion. Even mixing live action with time slicing, where the scene surrounding the actor freezes in time, is no match for our motion control systems. Slow motion, high speed or time lapse are all effects that when combined with motion control allow cinematographers to achieve visually stunning effects. Mark Roberts Motion Control is known the world over as the premier manufacturer of motion control systems for several key reasons. We manufacture the most accurate and rigid motion control mechanics in the world, using only high-quality components and materials. It is no good having a high-speed rig if it shakes or vibrates during movement, as the multiple passes won't match. Additionally, we are the only company in the world that creates both the rig and the software to produce a state-of-the-art integrated motion control system. By designing the software specifically for our rigs, features can be incorporated that are not possible on any other system. In short, Mark Roberts Motion Control offers systems with the following key benefits: high quality construction, frame accuracy, extreme rigidity and smoothness, very reliable, high speed live action movement, easy to program, and complete integration with pre- and post-production software tools. Mark Roberts Motion Control presents the ultimate in motion control systems.